Hey, what is up, guys? Goopdinator here, back with another video. Now, you probably saw in my last little clip of getting that, I got a diamond egg, and and that person was going straight for it, and like I was like, oh my gosh, and it already became nighttime, so I was like, let's go ahead and grab it, so I don't have to wait for another timer. Use a night bell. As you can see, 5 diamond eggs. Okay, are we ready? Are we ready? 3. Hold on. Okay, so just make sure you please like and subscribe. This took way too long. Now I can finally do blue field farming. Here we go. 3, 2, hit that like button. 1. Go. Receive diamond mask. Gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, I killed myself. Didn't mean to do that. Now, I don't know if this is a myth or not, but can I go and access the diamond mask whenever I want? Or does it have to be nighttime? Because that would be way too tedious. So I have to. Some people had these, like, blue things on them. I don't know what they were, but... Okay. 35? I used to have 6... Check out this diamond mask. 1.5 blue, 15... Times 3 capacity. Jesus. I'll let y'all look at that for a moment. Diamond mask. Purchase. Oh god, there we go. Down there. Now, yeah, we can go test it out and stump. I didn't realize I have only 100 billion now. Now I can actually get, but I need the goo for it or whatever it's called. Okay, so passive diamond drain, passive bomb, needs bubble mask. Already got that here. Every 30th blue ability token, 5 million pollen plus the percentage of convert round from all bees contain 10% blue pollen, 50%. Gifted blue bee types contains 10 blue flower field, down 45 seconds. Every 7th bomb, a token spawns 3 bubbles in a field, lasts for 8 seconds. If any player touches pops, this much gives around 29. Okay, so let's try this out. Already at 3. Honestly, I don't know if I should go on the blue team or on the red team or on the white team. I don't have the gummy. Obviously, you can change your hive, but I don't know if I should go on the... I mean, I won't go on the white hive right now because I don't have the goop. But I don't know if I should go on the red or blue side of Bee Swarm. I just have one of everything, really. Minus the mythics are needed. God, the camera. God. I don't know, but I think my pollen's gone. Okay, my friend Fire's in this server. I'm gonna tell him Fire just got... What is it? Diamond mask. Got diamond mask. I think he's AFK. No? Yeah, I think he's AFK. I'm gonna tell him I took 6 months to get, well, 1 more diamond egg. Wait, what? I missed. When did the ability happen? What? I'm genuinely confused. How do I have 50 billion capacity space? Or 50 million? Oh my god, this mask is amazing. Has a lot to do with capacity. I think blue is the way to go. How do I think of it? Alright, gotta get that diamond drain again. Close that chat real quick. Now I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna have to see this diamond drain in action. I don't know if it works only in like. I'm gaining honey quick. I've never casually done something like this and get literally 700 million that quick, or not 700, 500. I started at 319. So what is it? Every 30th? Look at this mask, bro. It's beautiful. 23. Is it like blue ability? What is it? Blue ability token? Okay, I'm gonna stand here in the middle. Is that a star spell? Oh, 62? Where's the capacity coming from? Am I being stupid? But like, every 30 ability token, 5 million pollen plus a percent that converts among all your bees contain 10% blue pollen plus 50% gifted blue types pollen. Pollinates 10 plus blue plus 3% flower and cooldown 45. What? Confused. Okay, I don't know, but oh wait, there. Oh, so it's only after. Does it say last for 45 seconds? It might. Okay, hold on. Let's get this thing running again. I'll see. Action. How many more days do I have for this? Oh, wait, what? I catch the toe. Okay. My backpack filling up really quick. You also need to see the number. I keep forgetting to see the freaking number. But I am getting so much more pollen now that I think. I really wish I had 40 different vibes right now. There. 49 goes to 35. Yeah. And where'd the capacity come? Oh, it might have been a passive, but whatever. So now I can continuously say this mask is OP. Let's. Where are the stats on it? 0.5 blue pollen, 15 blue conversion, 35% pollen times 3 capacity rather than 15. I don't know what. I don't understand how this stuff works. Blue. I don't know. No more diamond eggs. Oh yeah, I also got a silver egg recently. Oh my god, it takes so long to empty the backpack. That's the problem. You can empty your backpack fast with the red hive, and you'll get less honey, but you can have a blue hive, get a lot more honey, but it takes a long time to empty the backpack, especially if you don't have like any of the instant. Whatever. So, I can confirm in these couple of minutes of playing with this mask is OP. Now, obviously, I'm doing a quest right now, and I need white pollen and not blue pollen. So, let's see if I can make it. Yes. Let's just head over here, grab ours. What? There we go. Equip this, and let's see if I can purchase that. You know why I can't? I got 435. I'm really close to halfway. You know what? Anyways, we're doing this episode, right? I hate this part, and you can't even return to your own hive either. So let's go ahead and... I don't remember. Oh, wait, I need 300. Oh, I have 300. Okay, I'm stupid. Oh, I remember now. I was going to spend... 100 tickets? Yeah, ain't gonna spend. How do I get more tickets? I get more honey. So let's go up to the mountaintop, grab that dispenser. Here we go. See how much it is. So one ticket is that much. That much. 100. Okay, I was going for that anyways. 2 billion, nah. Yeah, that'll work. Now I can spend another 200 on in this episode to get more good drops. That was quick. Now I have 1,000. Now I'm probably gonna keep. So I don't remember. Let me check real quick. Oh, never mind. I thought it said use 200 goo drops, but it's actually get. You have to collect 200 for the last quest of this. But let's go ahead and see how many we can do with them. So many. Okay. Okay. Spamming. You probably can hear my mouse. 32. Okay, so if we bring out the Mets, that would be 465, 467. Probably only gonna make 30 because I need some good drops for myself. Well, now I'm just on my way to getting the goop boots. That is literally the last item in this game before we can start going to do other games, you guys. That is literally the last item I only need. I don't need more bees. I don't need anything else. That's it. And I'm so happy. Oh, wait. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I need 300 glyph. You kidding me? Oh, how about this? How about we get us a new amulet? I don't know if I have 30 yet. No. Dang it, that's... Okay, let's... Okay, so what do we have right now? Oh, wait. Same. 35% white pollen would be very good for this quest right now. So 35 more white, 11 pollen. Bird rate. That would be good because I have the diamond mask now. 40% pollen. Ooh, this is a tough decision. I guess. Oh, if that was a good... That was a mistake. But, hey, it was only 250 million. So wrong about that much. Oh, you guys, that is it for this video. We accomplished so much. We got us a new amulet. We got us the diamond mask. We got more boo. Anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.